Hello, good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, Hiro-san.
Yes, another kitchen day.
Yes. We're going to show some people how to do the tempura flake technique, right?
Yes, I think some audience requesting
Right.
about how to make the tempura flake. It's a very easy process, but sometimes people don't know. So let's do process.
Okay. So what's the first step?
First step, actually, you need to make a tempura butter, same as like you do make other tempura too, right?
Okay.
But at this time, you can do all the way. You don't need to this, little how they call the little bubble stuff.
Yeah.
You can use the
whisk?
Sometimes, whisk. Sometimes I forget this one how they call. And the thickness is not too thick, not too watery too.
Okay.
Like that. Maybe if I use more finger, more you can see like this much.
Okay. So it's very runny.
Yeah, running, not too thick.
Okay.
Right. And then when you throw into the oil, to some technique.
Okay.
It's very easy, but oil is ready, so let's go like that. So more like that, or like this, or you just do. And if you do too much, of course, oil is gonna be start bubbling, right?
Right.
So you have to little bit control.
Okay.
And then you have to wait a little bit until everything getting crispy.
Right, because if you move it too quick, it's going to fuse it all together.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
And then this one stay in the bottom a little bit, so okay. Wait more.
So this is tempura batter. Can people at home use any kind of flour? I know this is from tempura
still
flour.
tempura flour is more nicer.
More crispy, right? But if they can't find it, then they should just use what?
Yeah, I
Flour
do the
and
tempura
cornstarch?
flour and egg yolk and the cornstarch.
Okay.
Mixing. And then pick up the tempura flour.
So how do you know when it's ready? When the top of it feels a little bit hard, you would touch it, right?
Yeah,
with
when
a
you touch
chopstick?
it, you can tell.
Okay. Now using a chopstick, if people don't know how to use a chopstick, Hiro, what do you recommend?
You need when you pick up the tempura flake.
Yeah.
You need this type of a tool. Anyway.
Okay. So can you use that
You
to
can do
break it?
Yeah, you can break it like this.
Okay. Just anything. It's the most important thing. Just pick it up from the oil when it's ready.
Yeah. And you just need to pick up like that.
The best thing is if you're at a restaurant, do this fresh every single day.
Yeah.
I know we used to do it fresh every single
And
day.
then this is actually a strainer. If you go to the Asian market, you have a without these things,
Yeah, yeah.
so that's more easier.
They're very light and shallow.
Like this.
Okay.
Pick up. Because you can see this thing is stuck like that. You cannot take in the.
Can I get to the edge? Yeah.
So I recommend you to buy another stuff. Style or shape. Like that. Okay.
Okay.
This is the one way. Another style is I'm gonna use this squeeze bottle instead of you use a finger thing. So first I'm gonna do this stuff into the squeeze bottle. They can do directly. this. Okay, that's it. Let's do it. This is much more easier.
Yeah, for sure. It looks
Right.
much easier.
And one thing you have to be careful, you can see the smoke coming, right?
Yeah,
This is very hot.
the
So
steam.
when
huh?
you do the finger stuff, it's getting very hot,
Okay.
the steam coming, so
Right.
you have to be careful.
It's much faster, you know.
Right? And maybe more consistency too.
Yeah.
So whichever you easier for you.
Now the temperature though should be at what?
350 something
Like 350.
or 186 in Celsius,
Okay.
350 in Fahrenheit. And then of course the oil is too high, it's going to burn.
Yeah, you're gonna burn it. Exactly. And I was saying earlier that make sure you do this every single day if you have a restaurant.
Yeah.
Nice and fresh. You won't have that stale,
Yeah,
oily taste, you know.
Yeah, in the restaurant, when I make these things, always oil is the clean
Clean,
fresh
right?
one.
Sure.
Because after you fried up the chicken wing or so, all the other stuff, all the smelly stuff is actually going to the
Exactly.
tempura flake.
Gets absorbed.
So if you make the fresh one, if you keep it dry, you can keep a few days also, okay?
Okay. You gotta wrap it up good. That's true. People don't realize that if you're
Okay,
frying
so-
other
Yeah, if you
than just plain stuff, it's gonna
Yeah.
absorb all that smell.
if the oil wasn't
Mhm.
clean, they smell.
Oh, look at this color. It's a super, super light yellow. I don't know if the camera's really doing it justice, but very, very light. Okay, that's good, Hiro.
Okay, that's it.
And when you need to use it, you just basically break it, right?
Yes, after cooling down, I'm gonna break
Okay.
this one anyway. Like that.
How do you break it to use it?
Once it's cooling down, you can press the whatever you can use
Just
the
use your
fingers
hands?
or just a spoon.
Just smash it out?
Yeah, example like this. Like this.
Okay.
Right. This one's a little bigger, so
Yeah.
you're not gonna use it. Like this.
All right.
Yeah.
Easy enough.
That's it.
All right, Hiro. Well, that was simple.
Yeah,
If
that's
you guys
it.
like this video, if you like it, give it a thumbs up.
Mm.
Comment below, share it. Don't forget to subscribe. In the next video, here's going to be using these flakes to make a really amazing roll called the lobster
lobster roll.
tower roll.
Mm.
Yeah. Looks so good, Hiro.
Mm.
So let me ask you a question. Any tasting part?
No testing.
Not today, right?
Mm.
Okay, very good. All right. See you soon. Thanks
Yeah,
again.
thank you.